Hello, today I will be demonstrating how to sign up for and use eRead Kids online. From our homepage, locate the box of our free online sources and look for eRead Kids. eRead Kids is an online database of over 15,000 ebooks and audiobooks. Though it is targeted for kids pre-K to 4th grade, there are also titles for older kids as well. Locate the Login button from the homepage and use your entire library card number beginning with 21060 and the PIN number you received when you signed up for your Pines card. From the homepage, there are several easy ways to browse. If an item you see says Place Hold, it means that another patron currently has it checked out and you can be on a waiting list to receive that item. If it is available, it will say Check Out. If you would like to search for items that are only readily available right now, go to Availability and click Available Now. Then by clicking the item, you can check out your ebook or audiobook and click Checkout and then Listen or Read Now. When your due date is coming up, it'll notify you and it will automatically return. But if you would like to return your item early, just click More Options and Return. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help.